Morning class. Today we will start exercise 1F. Round off to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10. Actually round off we have done in class 5. So this is the revision class. So first question is round off to the nearest 10, 42. So what you will do, you will write right hand side 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 till 50. So what is the halfway of this 40 to 50 is 45. Halfway is 45. If you are saying that the first number is more than 5 or equals to 5, then we will add 1 to this digit. If not equal, then we will write. Okay, now if you see 42, this 42 number is nearest to 40. Nearest to 40. If more than or equals to 5, then we will add and we will move to 50. So by seeing 42 is nearest to 40, so we will write 42 rounded up to the nearest 10 is 40. Okay. Now when we will move to the part 2, question number 2, 15. Question is 15. Now if you see 15, 5 equals to or more than 5, then we will add 1 to here. So 15 means 5 is here. So what we will do? Rounded off to the nearest 10 is, how much you will write? 20. In the same way, if you will move to part 3, question is 94. 94 rounded off to the nearest 10. You are seeing 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So the rounded off to the nearest 10 value you have to write here 90. One more we will do, that is 1 part 5. 1 part 5. 1 part 5 is 153. 153. 3 is less than 5. So what we will write? Rounded off to the nearest 10 is 100. 150. 150. We will take one more question, that is part 7. Part 7. 1 part 7. 1 part 7 is 792. Rounded off to the nearest 10. If you see again, 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So you will write rounded off to nearest 10 is 790. 790. In the same way, part 1 part 9. 1 part 9. 1 part 9 is 975. 975. This is equals to 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 here. So rounded off to the nearest 10 of 975 is 980. 980. Okay, now we will move to question number 3. Question number 3 is round off each of the following to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. So 3 part 1, first question is 463. Now we will see these two digits. 63 is more than 50. Condition is yes. So what we will do? We will add 1 2 here. So rounded off to the nearest hundred of 463 is how much? Is 500. Is 500. Now we will move to part 3. Part 3 is 1348. 1348, and this is nearest to 100, so we will see this two digit. 48 is less than 50. Yes, so what we will write? Round up to the nearest 100 of 1340 is 1300. 1300. In the same way, we will do part 5. Part 5 is part 5 is 7765. 7765. Nearest to 100 means we will see again these two digit. 65 is more than 50. Yes, condition is right. So what we will do? We will add 1 to here. So what we will write? Rounded off to the nearest 100 of 7765 is 7800. Is 7800. 7800. In the same way, we will move to part 8. Part 8 is 60,705. 60,705. 60,705. 05 is less than 50. Yes, it is less than 50. So what we will write? Rounded off to the nearest 100 of 60,705 is 60,700. Okay, miss. Okay, now we will move to question number 5. Question number 5 is round up to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So 5 part 1 is 3939. Nearest to 1000 means now we have to see these three digits. 939. So third digit is 9. 9 is more than 5. Yes, condition is right. So what you will write? You will add 1 to this 3. So 3939 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is how much you will write? Is 4000. 4000. Now we will move to part 3. Part 3 is 5789. 5789. So now we will see these three numbers, and 7 is more than 5. Condition is right. So what we will do? We will add 1 to this number. So rounded off to the nearest 1000 of 5789 is you will write here 6000. How much thousand? 6000. 5 becomes 6000. So how much? 6000. In the same way, we will do part 5. Part 5 is 2235. 2235. Now if you see 2 is less than 5, so we will not do the increment. What we will write? The rounded off to the nearest 1000 of 2235 is 2000. Is how much? 2000. Now we will do one more, that is part 7. 5 part 7. 5 part 7 is 18,589. 18,589. So this is nearest to 1000, and 5 is equals to 5. So we will add 1 to this number. So what we will write? Rounded off to the nearest 1000 of 18,589 is 19,000. Is how much thousand? 19, because we added 1 here, 18 and 1, 19, and how many 0? 3 0 is 19,000. Miss. Okay, now I will give you the homework. Homework is from question number 1 you have to do part 4 and 10. From question number 3 you will do question number 2 and 4. From question number 5 you will do part 2 and 6, and you will send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, class.